Hi, my name is Maria and I'm a mathematician, and today I'm going to teach you how to come up with an equation from a graph. So I'm going to go ahead and graph a line for you. All right, let's go draw this point 3, 2, and then I'll draw another point 4, 5. All right, so those are 2 points in my line, which is not drawn perfectly, but you get the idea. So if you're given this graph and you're asked to write an equation for this line, first thing you should do is write down the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. And then you know that you need two important things to be filled into this equation. You need your m, which is your slope, and you need b, which is your y-intercept. So sometimes from the graph, you can tell what the y-intercept is. This is my x-axis and this is my y-axis. And the y-intercept is just where your line hits the y-axis. So it would be this point right here. But in case you can't clearly tell where the y-intercept is, I'm going to teach you how to do it by just using 2 points from the graph. So you're going to pick any 2 points from your line. You might be given way more than 2 of them. And I'm going to go ahead and pick these 2 that I drew right here. And I'm going to use them to find out what my slope is, what my m is. And to find out m, I'm going to use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and label this ordered pair my x1 and my y1, and this ordered pair will be my x2 and my y2. Okay, so if I substitute values in now, I'm going to get 2 minus 5, and I'm going to get 3 minus 4. So I have 2 minus 5 is negative 3, and 3 minus 4 is negative 1, and negative 3 divided by negative 1 is just 3. So I found my slope, and it's 3. So that's the first important thing you have to note. Your m is 3. All right, from there, I'm going to erase the graph now. You can use your slope and any one of the 2 points to find your b, which is the other important thing that you need, all right? So I'm going to rewrite this equation using one of the points that I had. So one of my points was 4, 5. So in the point 4, 5, if 4 is my x and 5 is my y, I'm going to replace y with 5. Equals, I know that my m is 3, and my x is 4, and I don't know b yet because I'm trying to figure it out. So 3 times 4 is 12. I have 5 equals 12 plus b. I'm using inverse operations to solve for b. So I'm going to do minus 12 on both sides, and that gives me negative 7 equals b. So now I've got my b equaling negative 7, and now that I have the 2 important things that I needed, I can go ahead and write the equation of the line. So I'm going to leave my y alone. I'm going to substitute m with 3. I'm going to leave my x alone, and I'm going to substitute b with negative 7. And this is the equation of the line that I got from the graph that I was given. And that's how you write an equation given a graph.